Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley Nicole. We are doing a very fun closet makeover. It's going to be super exciting, but even more exciting is that today we have a sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Dollar Shave Club, and I have a problem. I'm like an OCD leg shaver. It's not every single day, but it has to be at least every other day. So like a fresh razor is a big deal to me. And the absolute best part is that Dollar Shave Club has you completely covered, from showering to oral care to deodorant, but most importantly, to shaving. They make perfect Christmas presents. You can buy them for any guy in your family, or personally, I use guy razors all the time. So ladies, buy them for yourselves. They sent me their Shave Starter Set, which is absolutely perfect for traveling, you guys. It comes with this tiny little tube of shave butter, which is the smoothest, the softest, the silkiest. You'll want it, you'll love it. And then it comes with the actual razor and 2 spare razor blades. Also, did you know that you're supposed to change your blades every single week? I had no idea. I've gone months. So as usual, I'm gonna have everything in the description box below. Be sure to click the link and go get your Shave Starter Set for only $5. So again, a huge thank you to Dollar Shave Club for sponsoring this video. And now that this is done, let's go get on to the closet makeover. I'm so excited. Hello guys, the lighting still sucks. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley Nicole, and I wasn't really sure what I was going to film this week, and then I was vlogging and I was complaining about how messy my closet was. Insert vlog clip here. Honestly, my closet has just gotten super bad, and I feel like I really need to just get rid of a bunch of things. It made me realize I should, 1, take care of that, but then 2, I was like, you know what, that could be a video in itself. That's interesting. Deep cleaning the closet, that's a thing. You guys love my cleaning videos on my vlog channel. Insert vlog clip here. So I figured you guys would like an actual video dedicated to cleaning out the actual closet on my main channel. The truth is, I have a shopping problem and I get a lot of gifted stuff. So all of that compiled together results in a lot of excess. All of that together results in a lot of excess clothing around the house. There's things that you can hold on to and keep for future stuff, and there's things that you're just you haven't worn that. It's been a year, you should get rid of it. My problem though is that something really deep within me loves holding on to things. You guys may or may not remember, Taryn moved in. We have a roommate now, and it's just been the greatest experience having her here, but that's a completely different subject. I decided I'm going to go get her and have her make me get rid of things. Does that make sense? So she has absolutely no idea. I think I'm just gonna go drag her over here and make me get rid of the things that I need to get rid of, because it's time, it's bedtime. I guess we'll go get her. Hi. What are you doing?
Chilling.
I don't think we've seen your room.
Welcome.
Hello. Taryn's room. Wow. So I have a question for you.
Okay.
I was wondering if you could help me clean out my closet.
Sounds so fun.
Well, I feel like it's gonna be more of me cleaning out my closet and you encouraging me to clean out my closet.
Do I have
You don't have to,
power?
You can just sit on the bed and tell me what I need to get rid of or not get rid of.
Do you have to listen to me? I need power to be interested in this. Do I get stuff that I get to keep? Do I get a comfortable chair to sit on?
Yes.
Do I get to make you do things?
Yes.
Come in.
Oh, yay! Go on in.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you
I'm
for
gonna
being
sit
a
up
part of
here?
this. Yeah, you gotta sit there. I think I'm gonna just hand this to you. Can't wait. Okay, so we're just gonna hop right into it. There's the closet. I'm gonna pull up the very farthest thing against the wall. I don't even know what it is. Oh. Oh, jeez. Do you remember the sweater?
Oh my gosh, I forgot about that one.
I got this from Free People.
I love that sweater.
Me too. Are you giving it to me? Sexy shoulders.
Hell yeah.
It's a dark hole back there. Oh, I love these. I don't think I can get rid of this.
No, you have to keep that. Why don't you wear that?
I don't know. This is the time to wear it too.
It's very fall colors.
Okay, I love this. It's kind of really tight, so I feel like giveaway.
Do you have any other denim?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, giveaway. It's out.
Remember this? I wore this all the time like 3 years ago.
It's not my favorite.
It's very like Illuminati, but not Illuminati.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got this forever ago and never wore it.
Why?
I just didn't, but I still can. Christmas parties, New Year's parties, it's perfect for this. Keeping you. I wonder how many free hangers I'm gonna have after this.
Seriously, probably a lot.
I love this one. I want to keep it. This is a Free People. You're gonna learn that I have a lot of Free People clothes that I don't wear.
Why?
But I have a lot because I love them for like one specific event or something, but like
then
I never wear it again.
Can you try things on or no?
Yeah. It goes a little something like this. Like it's cute.
Yeah.
No. It also is kind of like grandma-y.
Do you like it?
No, we'll get rid of it. Don't look at me.
Oh. I'm censoring you.
Yeah. Wait.
Ashley, hurry up.
Censor. There's a whole construction site across the street. I'm like, hey boys. I love this skirt.
It's so cute. I like that one.
It's such
I think
a
you should keep it.
It's so good.
Oh, I liked that.
Remember these?
You haven't worn that in a long time.
I haven't worn it, honestly. I feel like if I get rid of a bunch of stuff, these will come to the front of my closet and I'll like wear stuff like this more.
Yeah, I like
I love these. This is a good event dress. Yeah.
It's cute.
It's good to keep these things. I haven't worn this in a very long time.
I'll take it.
This is old. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I keep it or not?
I like it. Oh, do you have like a memory basket?
I don't. Well, I kind of do. Like this, and then I have a high school shirt.
You have to keep. That's your college.
This,
you have to. Yeah.
Huh?
Would you wear it?
Yes.
It is a cool
I
piece.
I got it for the Halloween costume last year. Insert photo. It was a great outfit, but I haven't actually like worn it since then. But I could. Like I know I could.
Okay. Yeah.
I love this one. I'm just gonna keep this one.
I thought I was here to make all your decisions.
This is hard. I just got this and it was a lot thinner than I thought it was gonna be. So I feel like get rid of it.
Okay. What the actual? Get behind me, Satan! I lost it!
My toilet's dirty. Don't look at my toilet.
Everything's just my hand.
Rest in peace.
Kevin.
Kevin.
Kevin lived a long life.
R.I.P. Kevin. As it turns out, I have a lot of jumpsuits.
Yeah, you do. Yes. Are we choosing between the two?
I feel like I should pick one.
I like that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this one.
Oh, for a second I was like,
this?
what is that?
It's a dress.
Yeah,
it's a
cute.
wraparound, so it comes fully around.
Yeah,
but
I love that.
This is cute. This
Yeah,
is
I
real
love that.
cute. This is a jumpsuit. Free People. Goodbye. This one I love. I've gone on way too many trips where I've packed it, and it's been great. So. You don't like it?
I don't love it. I thought you have to listen to me. That looks ginormous.
It was a little baggy.
That reminds me of Nick Miller, so I'm gonna say yes. That one I don't love. That's really cute. Why don't you wear that? I mean, but where are you gonna wear that?
Exactly.
But you do have a lot, so I think you should be stricter. Is it dirty? That, yes, I love that. I love that too.
Yeah.
How much space do you have in there? Oh, you're Snuggie. He's falling.
Guys, this was my very first teddy bear ever. He is the Snuggie, and his name is Mr. Bear.
I want to feel him. He's cute.
I've had him forever, and then this was my second teddy bear that I took everywhere.
How cute. Yeah, he looks like he's been through some.
His name was Ladybug. There was a little like ladybug stamp on his foot, and that's how creative I was back then.
So cute.
So this is Ladybug, and this is Mr. Bear. I cannot.
Oh no, absolutely.
They couldn't even stay at my parents. Like they had to be with. I was like, no, they're coming with me.
Oh, they're gonna watch.
I have more shoes.
Holy crap.
You guys. And I need to get rid of them because there's a basket here. There's all of these. All of these.
Oh,
and
Lord.
then 2 drawers right here of just
gosh.
shoes. I kind of forgot there was a basket up here.
Not a good sign.
Not a good start. These are actually cute tops. I like these. Oh my god, the skirt. I looked everywhere for this last cruise trip. I could not find it anywhere.
Oh, see, Ash, we should have done this a while ago. I do love that set.
You like it?
Yeah, I love that, but you don't ever wear it.
I know. I forget about it. So keep it.
Yeah. Keep it, and then if you don't wear it within the next round, then get rid of it.
I have a ton of denim shorts.
You have a problem.
It's too
It's too much.
This was a mistake.
No, that's
Look at I didn't even I think it was around Coachella.
Yeah, no. Bye.
These I actually love a lot. I wear these a lot in the summer, like with a bikini, because I feel like I can eat tacos and wear my bikini.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a no. I'll keep those. These were a mistake. We're way too big.
No, they're gone. Bye. We're gonna bless somebody else with them.
This is what happens with online shopping.
Yeah.
I like these ones.
Yeah, those are cute. That's so much better. Now it's
That's
like
a lot better.
all you have to do is go through that. Oh God.
These are super cute, but they wrinkle
Wrinkly.
so bad. You can't even wear them.
Yeah. Do you wear it? Then get rid of it. You can only keep one.
These are extremely old, but they fit really well and look good at parties.
Okay, keep it.
So I think I'm gonna keep this one. These are really old. Get rid of. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I have a jumpsuit that matches this. Huh. Next we have shoes. Like I said, we have a drawer here, a drawer here. We even have some around the corner. This whole shelf, a drawer on bottom, and then a bunch on top.
Holy crap.
The thing is, like, shoe sizes don't change.
That's true. But if
Why?
you haven't worn them and you wouldn't, like today, then they need to go away.
Coachella.
Oh!
I mean, I have my Doc Martens. Get rid of.
Yeah, yeah.
They're cheap too.
Yeah. Those look a little ratchet, but...
They're my go out hiking
Oh, okay.
shoes. But I also have those that are my new go out hiking tennis shoes. So maybe get rid of these.
Okay.
These were good ones.
R.I.P. Nikes.
Had them for a long time.
You did well.
Love these. Never wear these.
Get rid of them. They're cute.
These are good, like vacation.
Beachy vacation, yeah.
I don't want them.
Okay.
These are from Lulu's. They're cute, but I never wear them. They're like too thin and just like.
Get rid of them.
Wow, these tongs cut into my foot.
Oh, if they hurt, then no.
But
They're
like I
out.
like them, so I'm like, should I like trim these? I might try that. Love these. Probably the comfiest shoes I own.
No. Are you kidding me? What is that yellow
They're
stuff on that?
so old. They're just old. I think it's the glue.
There's no laces. We got bye.
This was a very specific phase in my
I
life.
think we're past that phase. Well, dang, girl.
These never got a fair chance. I got like one photo in them, but not even like good ones. Maybe give them one more chance.
Yeah, like for a party or something.
Look at this. Yeah.
Wait, those are all shoes too?
Yeah.
Ashley.
These are the ones that like I don't wear as often, but I want to keep in my life. And then these ones I wear all the time. That's why they're out. Remember these?
Oh.
Goodbye. Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah, I think they need to.
Oh, it's coming out.
Yeah, they're done. They're telling you it's time.
You thought this was gonna be easy. I kind of loved these.
Those are cool. They're very
They're
like
Steve Madden.
industrial looking.
Yeah, I think I kind of might keep them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think I can get rid of these.
Those are
my
dope.
favorite loafers.
Yeah, I like those. Why don't you wear them?
I haven't been wearing a lot of brown lately. Oh my god. Unsolicited advice.
Them pumps.
Hello. If you don't know, Taryn and I have a podcast together. It's called Unsolicited Advice. You should download it, like
Yeah,
and
you
share it,
should.
do all the things. We're a good time.
We are a great time.
Nude pumps. So
That to me is your style. That I would never guess is
I
your
wore
style.
this to the murder mystery dinner.
If I was choosing, I like those way better.
I never wore these.
They are really cute. If you ever had like a 70s or like a theme party.
Keep them.
Yeah, I think you should keep them. We got rid of a lot today.
These don't fit great.
Then get rid of them.
They're my size though. They're expensive.
Oh.
I wore them to the Toy Story premiere.
You couldn't
and
walk
I
in them?
couldn't walk because
There's no point.
They kept falling off.
No.
I needed an 8.
There you go.
Classic go-tos.
Yeah, those are cute.
Fun.
Now I get rid of them. You thought too long. Thought too long.
These are old. Maybe I'll put like my heels in these.
That's a good idea because that's like a rarer.
Yeah. I have some more hidden.
Oh my goodness.
These were gifted and I was like, oh my god, so cute, but they kind of hurt. What size are you?
Why do you have so many snake skin?
I went through a phase. Nikes that I love
Why do you have them in there?
because I didn't have room and I was trying to organize.
Well, look, we got a whole shelf now, Ash. Those are dope. Put those out.
I'm keeping the box. Red Doc Martens.
Yep. No.
That's empty. Where are those? Oh, I think I put them in the wrong. I got these from Alicia, and I wore them a lot, and then I cleaned out my closet, but
Ooh, those are cute.
I should take them out, huh?
Those should go up too.
On the shelf, on the shelf.
shelf.
The thing with all of these is I love these. I wear them for like trips. These are like my vacation shoes.
Nah.
Birks. I love these.
No, Birks are like standard shoes.
And then these I think I'm gonna wear for Ashley's wedding.
Put those in, because that's like all sandals.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah.
So that should go in like one of those.
You're right.
What would you do without me?
So, you know I work out a lot, and then I started that like Fabletics ambassadorship. The amount of workout clothes that I have is ridiculous. And I'm not kidding. I just got rid of probably 12 pairs of leggings to a friend of mine on Tuesday because I was just like, just take them. Like I have too many. There it goes. But this whole basket is like my workout tops and sports bras, and then down here are more leggings that are just stuffed in there. So ideally, I would like to make this a workout drawer, like section.
How we doing?
I think I have a lot of sports bras. These two are leggings. So then I have a drawer and a basket. So I think sports bras and basket maybe, and tops in the drawer.
Yeah, do that. I'll help.
Okay. Legging, top, sports bras.
Love that.
And I can just like grab the sports bra. Because 90% of the time I just wear a legging and a sports bra.
That looks great.
That looks real good. I feel good about that.
Good.
I feel really good about that. Okay guys, get ready for the big closet reveal. I am so excited to finally have this finished. Dun, da, da, da. Bum, ba, da, bum, bum. And there she is. She is beautiful. She is clean. She is organized. I have all my shoes in one area finally. All the dirty clothes in one area. All the pants have been sorted. All the shoes have been sorted. We have bathing suits and hats. We have bags and one beanie. Just kidding. That's not supposed to be there. That's supposed to be over there. But there it is. It looks so good. I'm so excited and so happy with how it turned out. If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the future with some more videos. Okay, bye.